Scientists just found out that microplastics are accumulating faster in the brain than any other organ in our body. This paper was recently published in Nature Medicine. Researchers from the University of New Mexico took brain samples from patients that were deceased in 2016 and evaluated them with the brain samples from those who were deceased in 2024. And they discovered that there was 50% more microplastics in the brains of those from 2024 compared to those from 2016, just 8 years ago. They found that the average brain that was sampled contained about 7 grams of microplastics, which equates to about the size of a credit card. They were able to evaluate the presence of the nanoparticles using specific microscopy techniques. And you can see some of these pictures right here, and these are in the nanometer range, which means they are incredibly small, but when they accumulate together, they can have an impact. Now, because they're so small, they can pass through the neuronal cell membrane, and they can ultimately accumulate inside of these cells. But what's more interesting is that they discovered that patients who have dementia have a significantly higher amount of microplastics inside of their brain relative to those with normal brain tissue. This means there could be a potential correlation between the amount of microplastics accumulated in the brain and the development of developing neurodegenerative disorders. A lot more research is still needed to confirm any of this stuff, but we can definitely see that microplastics are accumulating inside of the brain tissue of normal adults. I want to hear from you. What is your honest reaction to hearing something like this? Are you going to change your habits in any way, or is this the price of convenience? I want to know what you think. Comment below.